Okay, so welcome back. So this is still the continuation of the data. So what we are doing in the last video is to generate random numbers using calculator, using Microsoft Excel, and the last one is that using the internet. So we end up with generating our data. So this is actually the Microsoft, or rather the Internet Explorer, rather the website or the URL used is that trek.com statistics random number generator.aspx. So what we placed here is the number of random numbers, 10, minimum 1, maximum 100, and we place a false for allowed duplicate entries and click calculate. And then after that, we were able to generate this number. So it's actually found here. So we have the 10 random numbers, number 29, number 26, number 35, number 6, number 93, number 7, number 65, 17, 89, 20. So as mentioned in the previous videos, you have to assign numbers to the members of the populations for you to come up, of course, with the list who will be or who will be the respondents based on the selected random numbers. Okay, next. So let's move on to the next one. So aside from lottery method, use of random method, we can also use the systematic random sampling. So how is the systematic random sampling? So in using the systematic random sampling, we are actually considering the nth member. So we assign the nth member. So in some books, there is calculations or computations for you to determine for that. And it is usually dividing the total population divided by the corresponding sample size. But however, there are times that it's a very large number. So if you're going to use manual computation, you can just simply select the nth member, like, for example, the fifth member, the sixth member, the seventh member, and so on and so forth. So for example, we have here the list of our respondents. So this is the corresponding number assigned to our respondent. So what we need to do is to select every fifth member. So for us to select the every fifth member, so where to start, it depends again on the researcher. So for instance, you want to start with 5 since you want to consider the fifth member, or maybe you want to start with 6 because that's the next number after 5. So it's up to you. Or for me, for example, since my birthday is September and it is represented by number 9 and I want to start with number 9, so I can start with number 9. So this will be my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my fifth member is number 13. Then I'll continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, number 18 is the fifth member. Continue counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3 will be my next respondent. 4, 5, 6. I mean 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, since 13 is already selected, the next number is 14. So here, the respondents will be respondent number 3, number 8, number 13, number 14, and number 18. So this is how to use systematic random sampling in manually.